guys, so today we are reviewing a pocket knife. So let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys what you are getting. So I don't know about you guys, but I like having pocket knives because they're small, you can conceal them a whole lot easier, and they work great for many applications. Alright, so here you go. You get it in a concealed little case bag here. So check it out. Wow, that's really nice. I'll show you guys up close here. So it's got a clip, so you can clip it on. No, we can clip it on. Well, we're a turkey, so we can't actually clip it on us, but you guys get the point. It's got a nice ruffled, almost saw blade end up top here. Wow, check that out, guys. That is nice. I'm serious, guys. That's really nice. Definitely has a sharp blade. Wow. So, what I like about this one is the blade is a fixed blade. So, you know, some of the pocket knives, when the blade comes out, it folds right back down, and you can cut yourself and hurt yourself pretty bad with those kind of knives. But the nice thing about this one is, it doesn't fold down, back on. So as you put pressure, it doesn't fold forward. What you do is, right in here on the front side, there's a little bar. You would go ahead and pull that to the side. So all you do is pull that to the side, and it allows you to bend the blade down, and that's it. Really nice. Absolutely. This is definitely going in our collection. This is really nice. So, you know, enough said about that. Let's go ahead and see how well it cuts hard plastic. So this is a piece of plastic. Look at that. This is not paper, this is plastic. So just to show you guys, you know, bending it. This is hard plastic and it cuts it like butter. Absolutely stunning. Wow. I mean, that is amazing. Right out from packing. Like, that's crazy. Right from shipping. Like, it's that sharp. Imagine if you sharpen this now. Overall, very nice design of the blade. I'm impressed. Beautiful product. Really nice. We're going to actually use this when we go hunting.